We got a modernization in progress here. This thing is damn near impossible to film. Up to 5. What a crap mod. Yeah, indicator doesn't even work. Sensor up there is kind of interesting. Yeah, it's a miracle. I've gotten a full trip on this thing in one shot. Yeah, it does that every time. I'm not even exaggerating the camera movement at all. Yeah, this thing's been slammed. The other one's being modded, but it's also just been perpetually broken, according to Google reviews. Yeah, this is kind of what happens when you have a property of this size down to one elevator. I don't want to know what that is. Anyway, that's it.